This is psilocybin, a psychedelic prodrug compound containing a phosphate group, an indole group, and a quaternary ammonium group. Once ingested, the compound and its metabolites move all around the body in many different ways. But let's just start with the first part of its journey, to the liver. Based on studies using animals, about 50% of the ingested psilocybin is absorbed through the stomach and intestine and arrive through the hepatic portal vein and into the liver. In the liver, the psilocybin quickly dephosphorylates by alkene phosphatase to the active metabolite psilocin. The psilocin then returns back to the gastrointestinal tract, where it begins to absorb into the bloodstream through the lining of the stomach and the small intestines. It then travels around the body and eventually crosses the blood-brain barrier around 30 minutes after ingestion. Once in the brain, psilocin attaches to a key receptor, 5-HT2A. This receptor is normally used for serotonin. As psilocin and serotonin have very similar structures, it is easy for psilocin to attach to this specific receptor rather than the serotonin. Activation of the 5-HT2A receptor and its associated signaling GQ protein result in a variety of responses depending on the tissue and physiological function. Examples include alterations in perception, thought processing, and emotions. Specifically, activation of these receptors by psilocybin is thought to contribute towards the visual and auditory hallucinations and also changes in mood. Once the compound has detached from the receptor, it returns to the liver and intestines. There, it is converted into two different compounds. Enzymes in the uridine diphosphate glucuronidase transferase class turn psilocin into psilocin O-glucuronide. This compound is the main urinary metabolite, and around 80% of the metabolized psilocin is excreted as urine in this form. Other enzymes called aldehyde dehydrogenase and monoamine oxidase can convert psilocin into 4-hydroxyindole 3-acetaldehyde. Further metabolization of this compound turns it into 4-hydroxyindole 3-acetic acid and 4-hydroxytryptophan. Here you can see the entire biotransformation pathway for psilocybin. Each of the compounds can be excreted from the body, as not all of the ingested molecules will undergo the exact same pathway. Either through urine or feces, all of the metabolites will be removed from the body. Within 24 hours, about 65% of the absorbed psilocybin is excreted into the urine, and a further 15 to 20% is excreted in the bile and feces. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed learning all about psilocybin and its metabolites.